Have you ever encountered someone who seems to have been born to succeed in the world of finance? Well, unless you've inherited a fortune or come from a wealthy family, you probably find yourself in the same situation as most, working hard to achieve your financial goals. But don't worry, there are signs that indicate you could be destined for financial success, and today I'm here to guide you and help you become part of the 1% of people who want to change their financial lives. First and foremost, I want to remind you that being born into difficult circumstances is not something you should lament. But, as they say, dying in the same situation is another story. Life presents us with challenges, but it also offers us opportunities, and you are here because you feel deep down that there is something more waiting for you. Today, I've summarized these traits into 10 signs that indicate you will become wealthy. Let's get started. 1. Challenge the status quo. Have you ever wondered why we're always told to follow certain rules to succeed in life? Phrases like, get a college degree to succeed, or put your money in a mutual fund to secure your future, are so ingrained in our culture that sometimes we don't even question their validity. But here's the truth, the world is constantly changing. What worked in the past may not be relevant today. It's time to be skeptical and question the status quo. Why follow the same beaten path when you could blaze new trails to success? Keep your eyes open to new opportunities and challenge conventional beliefs. Remember, innovators and visionaries are those who dare to challenge the status quo and think outside the box. 2. The myth that money doesn't solve your problems is as outdated as a rotary phone. Sure, money isn't the solution to all problems, but denying its importance is like pretending avocados aren't delicious in guacamole. Money is a powerful tool that can provide you with security, freedom, and the ability to pursue your dreams. So, the next time you hear someone say that money doesn't matter, remember the wise words of Warren Buffett, money isn't everything, but it's a lot better than being without it. 3. Set clear and specific financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially in the next few years? Do you want to buy a house, pay off your debts, save for retirement, or start your own business? Whatever your goal, it's crucial that you write it down and establish a plan of action to achieve it. Clear financial goals will keep you focused and motivated as you work to achieve your dreams. Remember, success doesn't happen by accident, but as a result of careful planning and persistent action. 4. Don't wait to act. When it comes to financial opportunities, time is money. If you wait too long, you might miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Remember, opportunities rarely knock twice at the same door, so if you see an opportunity, seize it with both hands and don't let go. Don't be paralyzed by the fear of failure. Instead, remember that failure is just a part of the learning and growth process. As Thomas Edison once said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work. 5. Stop comparing yourself to others and focus on your own progress. Comparison is the thief of joy, and when you constantly compare yourself to others, you risk losing sight of your own path and abilities. Instead of measuring your success against others, focus on your own achievements and progress. Celebrating your own victories, no matter how small, will help you maintain a positive and motivated attitude as you work towards your financial goals. 6. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but how we respond to these challenges can make the difference between success and failure. Instead of letting obstacles stop you, look for ways to overcome them and grow from them. Remember, every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow as a person. As Albert Einstein once said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. 7. Invest in income-generating assets. Instead of spending your money on things that depreciate over time, like designer clothes or the latest gadgets, look for investment opportunities that will provide you with long-term financial returns. From stocks and bonds to real estate and businesses, there are many ways to make your money work for you. Remember, the key to lasting wealth is to invest wisely and diversify your investment portfolio. 8. Plan for the future. Life may be unpredictable, but that doesn't mean you should leave your future to chance. Make a solid financial plan that includes short, medium, and long-term goals, and stick to that plan diligently. Whether you're saving for your children's education, buying a house, or planning for retirement, it's important to set clear financial goals and work towards them consistently. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare today. 9. Never stop learning. Financial education is key to long-term financial success. Take the time to learn about topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and financial planning. Whether you read books, attend seminars, or consult with a financial advisor, never underestimate the power of knowledge when it comes to making smart financial decisions. Remember, the more you learn, the more control you'll have over your financial future. 10. Surround yourself with successful people. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and when it comes to achieving financial success, this is especially true. Seek out the company of people who share your values and financial goals, and learn from their experience and knowledge. Whether it's family members, friends, or mentors, surrounding yourself with successful people can inspire you, motivate you, and provide you with the support you need to reach your own financial goals. Remember, success is contagious, so make sure to surround yourself with people who will propel you forward on your path to wealth and abundance. 11. Master your emotions. When it comes to making financial decisions, it's important to keep calm and maintain clarity of mind. Don't let fear, greed, or impatience cloud your judgment and lead you to make impulsive and irrational decisions. Instead, take the time to reflect on your decisions, evaluate your options, and make informed decisions based on your long-term financial goals. Remember, financial success requires discipline, patience, and emotional control. Keep calm, keep perspective, and keep your eyes on the prize. With these tips, you're ready to achieve financial success and live the life of your dreams. Remember, the road to wealth may be challenging, but with determination, perseverance, and a little financial knowledge, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Watch the next video that complements what we've seen today. And subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.